If you want a fast and simple way to create a QR code using Office 365 and OneDrive, this tutorial will walk you through the full process step by step. By the end, you'll know how to take a file from OneDrive, generate a shareable link, and turn that link into a QR code that anyone can scan. This is perfect for sharing documents, folders, flyers, classroom files, business materials, or any file you want people to access quickly from their phone. And if this video helps you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser and sign in with your Microsoft or Office 365 account. Once you're inside OneDrive, upload the file you want to share, or select a file or folder that's already there. This can be a Word document, PDF, spreadsheet, presentation, or even an entire folder, depending on what you want people to access. Next, click the Share button. This is where you create the link that will later be turned into a QR code. Make sure the sharing settings are correct. In most cases, you'll want to choose the option that allows anyone with the link to view the file. That way, when someone scans the QR code, they can open the file without running into permission issues. After selecting the right sharing option, click Copy Link and save that OneDrive sharing link to your clipboard. Now that you have the link, open a QR code generator website in a new tab. You can use a trusted online QR code generator for this step. Once the site loads, paste the OneDrive sharing link into the input box. After that, click the Generate QR Code button. The website will instantly convert your OneDrive link into a scannable QR code. After the QR code appears, download the image to your device. You can then use it in posters, handouts, presentations, labels, business cards, emails, or social media posts. Anyone who scans the QR code with their phone camera will be taken directly to the OneDrive file or folder you shared. This method is especially useful because it keeps sharing simple and professional. Instead of sending a long link, you can let people scan one code and go straight to the content. It's a great time saver for schools, offices, teams, and content creators. Before we finish, double check your OneDrive sharing permissions one more time. If the link is set too restrictively, the QR code may work, but the file might still ask for access. Choosing the correct sharing setting up front prevents that problem and makes the experience smoother for everyone. And that's it. You've now created a QR code using Office 365 and OneDrive in just a few easy steps. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.